going to unbox these oil pastels from Crafter Square found at the Dollar Tree. And it looks like there's 12 colors inside, and it gives us on the back a sense of what the colors will be. So let me just open this up and take a look. And we can check out how well they work. Okay, interesting. I don't have 12, I have 11. It's missing the black. So that's a concern, but we'll just go ahead with what we've got. This is brown. Feels very thick, very waxy, very much like a crayon. This one is light green. It's rather pale. Dark green. Has more blue in it. Light gray. This one is blue. Okay, this one has a little bit more creaminess to it than the others. Burnt sienna. Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. And this one is white, so I'll just go over the tops of everything, see if I can actually blend it together. It doesn't look so much. I'm seeing wax on the surface. Let me bring this closer to you. I am seeing wax on the surface, and I would say these are working more like crayons than, I definitely feel a wax on this surface, but I'm not, let's see, they're very much like crayons. I'm seeing the strokes, I'm not seeing it blend together. I have to say I'm kind of disappointed because they're not behaving at all like I would expect an oil pastel to do. For one, they're not oily, they're waxy. For two, they're more crayon-like. There isn't much blending going on here. I can't seem to move it. I also can't seem to change the stroke of the crayon. Like, I can't color enough that it would blend to a solid color. No matter what I do here, you can see the buildup with the blue. You're still seeing strokes. Now that was about 3 layers, I guess. 3 layers of blue. And it does have buildup. I guess I can move it around a little bit. Let's see, with the eraser, can I manipulate it at all? No, not really. Just wondering if I have anything oily here that I could see. Alright, I have the Best Cleaner Ever, which is an oily based type of product. Contains, let's see, alcohol and I think some form of oil. So let's just spray it on there and see what we get. Nah, it's not doing anything with the oil either. Big disappointment in these oil pastels. One, for it missing the black color. Two, for the quality of how it works on the paper. Three, it's more like crayon to me than anything else. In fact, cheap, bad crayons. I think a Crayola would actually work better than this. It's definitely not worth spending your money, and I'm not really sure what I could see you purchasing them for and using them for, except maybe like doing some shavings or some drawings on wax paper and melting them, which you can do with a traditional crayon. But really, that's all I'm seeing. I'm seeing a real waxy buildup, which is not to say a smooth, crayony oil pastel at all. So, yeah, very disappointed. I would not recommend them, and I would think it's a wasted purchase. So there you have it. Like I said, these are from Crafter's Square, the Dollar Tree oil pastels. I would say pass on these.